Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to customize the user interface. So what is a user interface? User interface is basically the graphical user interface on which a user works. It could be the info type screen. So we will learn how to modify the screen and also see an example of it. So screen modifications, what does it mean? Depending on the transaction class and the country grouping, different screens are available for different info types. For example, info type address for USA is different, for India is different. Similarly, info type 2 for USA is different, Canada is different, because certain fields like SSN is for USA, for Canada there is no SSN. So depending on the country grouping, there are certain different screens available for different info types. Now SAP has given a functionality where you can change the characteristics of individual fields. What do you mean by changing the characteristics of individual field? It means you can make certain fields as hidden or make them required or optional. But before even going to screen modifications, you need to know two things of a particular screen. You need to know the program name and the screen number. You need to know the program name and the screen number. How will you get the program name and screen number? Whichever screen you are currently working on, go to system and then status, and then you will get the program name and screen number. Once you get the program name and screen number, note it down somewhere and then go to this IMG navigation where you can change the screen modifications. Let us see the practical. So let me show you info type 2. When you go to PA30, and I'm using this employee here, I'm going to info type 2. So if I go to info type 2, these are the fields here. Now in these fields I want to hide initials and the nickname. To hide this, first I have to go to system and then go to status, and then I have to make a note of the program and the screen number. These are the two things I have to make a note of it. What is it? Program and the screen number. Once you make a note of this, you can go to the configuration which I mentioned in this slide. You go to personal management, personal administration, customizing user interfaces, and then click on change screen modifications. Click on this and then search for the program name and the screen number, which is nothing but this line. So how did you got the module pool, that is the program name and the screen? Basically you got it from this screen system status. So you know the program name here, module name or program name, module pool I would say. So once you get this information, you can search in this configuration here. So once you search this particular entry, go to the details and then you will find all those fields here. Now I want to make initials and the nickname as optional, or sorry, hide. I want to hide them. I am hiding this, I am hiding nickname. Now I save it. Now let me go to this info type here, close this, come out of, currently you are seeing the initials and the nickname here. Now I go and again come back in, then you will not be able to see those two fields because those two fields were hidden now based on the screen modifications. Hope you understood what is screen modifications. Thank you.